We will start the question answer part of the second chapter. Okay. And second chapter, question number 1, what is it? What it is written? It is written वाक्य जोड़ो, means you have to join the sentences. वाक्य means sentences. Okay, वाक्य means sentence होता है, ठीक है ना? तो you have to join the sentences. Got it? Now, what it is written? It is written in the example, सहेलियां नाचती गाती, सहेलियां नाचती हैं. फिर क्या लिखा है? वे गाती भी हैं. ठीक है. तो देयर आर 2 sentences. 1, सहेलियां नाचती गाती हैं, and second one is वे गाती भी हैं. 2 sentences are there in first line. Now we have to join both the sentences. How we will join? We will write सहेलियां नाचती गाती भी हैं. With a dash we will join. Okay? In the same way, question number 1 means ka. What it is written? It is written लहरें उछलती हैं. Again it is written वे कूदती भी हैं. Then how we will write? We will write लहरें उछलती कूदती हैं. समझ गए? क्या लिखेंगे? लहरें उछलती कूदती हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, इट इज रिटन सब बच्चे हंसते हैं. मीन्स all the kids, all the children are laughing. The second line it is written, second sentence, वे खेलते भी हैं. They play too. We will join both the sentences. And how the sentence will be? The new sentence will be look like सब बच्चे हंसते खेलते हैं. Got it? Very good. मेरी number one is लहरें उछलती कूदती हैं. number 2, बच्चे हंसते खेलते हैं. and number 3, मेरी माँ पढ़ना जानती है और लिखना भी जानती है. How we will write? मेरी माँ पढ़ना लिखना जानती है. ठीक है. ओके. मेरी माँ पढ़ना लिखना जानती है. ठीक है. Question number 2. I will send you the PDF. Don't worry. Right now I am explaining you how to do the question answers. Only copying, only writing is not enough. That's why I am going to tell you that what the question means, how we will understand what the question is, and then how we will do. Okay? So we will come to now. We will move to question number 2. Anything to ask? Question number 2. कहानी से means here are some questions which are asked from the story. Okay, what it is written? Part number 1, को. What it is written? हर्ष और कनक छोटे होने पर भी समुद्र की लहरों में कैसे तैर सकते थे? First, you should understand the meaning. Which meaning? That what the question is. Means in the question what it is saying. What the meaning of the question. ठीक है? तो मीनिंग क्या है? हर्ष और कनक, हर्ष एंड कनक छोटे होने पर भी, इवन when they are very young, very little, समुद्र की लहरों में, in the waves of the ocean, कैसे तैर पाते थे? How they can swim. तो कुल मिला के क्या मीनिंग हो गई? हर्ष एंड कनक both were very young, still they could swim in the waves of the ocean. How? This is the question. ठीक है? Can you tell me how they could swim in the ocean? They were very young, very small kids they were. Still they could swim in the ocean because they were residing near the ocean, first thing, and their parents were like in that profession. Every time their parents used to go in the waves, in the ocean. For what? For catching fish. Okay? So when your parents are doing something and you are watching it, sometimes you will also try to do that. And even if you are kids, if you are very young, still you can do those things a bit at least. Okay? If somebody, any one of you is having some shop and your parents are looking after that, your parents are, your father or your mother are like shopkeepers, then you also sit there and sometimes you can also sell the things at your shop. Yes or no? आपके घर में दुकान है, आपके मम्मी पापा बैठकर वहां पर चीजें बेचते हैं. Sometimes you can also do that because you are watching this from your childhood. Getting me? Okay, I am explaining you again. If you have one shop and your father or your mother is a shopkeeper, then sometimes you also sit in the shop and you can also sell some biscuit or some other things. Yes or no? It means your parents are doing anything, any job, and you are watching, then sometimes you will also try to do and you will be very comfortable with that. Okay, if I am doing farming at my farm, in my fields, then what will happen? My children will also go with me and they will also start doing little. Yes or no? In the same way, Harsh and Kanak both were swimming, both knew how to swim in the ocean because their parents were related to that job. Clear? Very good. Next part ख. What it is written? हर्ष का पिता क्या काम करता था? Tell me what is पिता? पिता means father. Very good. And what is काम? काम मतलब work. Very good. तो क्या हो गया इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग? हर्ष का पिता क्या काम करता था means what work Harsh father used to do means Harsh के पापा, the Harsh father, what he was doing, what he used to do, what was his job. Okay? In the chapter you will read, if you will go again, what you will read? Harsh के जो father थे, what he used to do? वो समुद्र में नेट लेकर, जाल लेकर जाता था और क्या करता था? उसमें से शेल्स और कलरफुल स्टोन्स निकालता था. He used to collect some shells and colorful stones from ocean. Okay? And he used to make beautiful toys with those. With what? With shells and stones. Okay? Why? Because he used to sell those toys in the near market, in the market, okay, and by this way he used to get some money. Clear? Now we will go to the next one. The third question is, कनक छोटे छोटे शंखों की मालाएं बनाकर क्यों बेचती थी? ओके, छोटे छोटे, लिटिल, स्मॉल, शंख, a type of shell. Why she used to sell by making the small cells chain? Shell समझ रहे हो? Means CP or shank, which could be collected from the ocean. And one word is cell, SELL. ठीक है? उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Sell means बेचना. ठीक है? तो यहां पर क्या है? Here we are talking about both word, shell and cell. क्वेश्चन क्या है? कनक छोटे छोटे शंखों की मालाएं बनाकर क्यों बेचती थी? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Why Kanak used to sell? Why Kanak used to sell the garlands, the mala, the necklace? Kanak used to sell the garlands made of small cells. Why? Okay, why? The answer is Kanak was very poor. You are listening me right now? The answer is Kanak was very poor. Kanak बहुत गरीब थी. Okay? Her father, one day her father went for catching the fish in the ocean and he did not return. He did not return. Then what? When her father was working, then it was okay. If Kanak is not working and her mother is not working, then it is okay. But if her father is no more, then what she will do? Her mother used to work, Kanak also used to work. तो कनक के पिता मछली पकड़ने गए थे तो डूब गए, मीन्स ही कुड नॉट रिटर्न. देन कनक्स मदर यूज्ड टू कैच द फिश and by selling it in the market, she was looking after, she was taking care of Kanak. ठीक है? So question number 4 is, मंजरी को कनक क्यों नहीं भाती थी? भाना मीन्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू, भाती थी मीन्स अच्छी लगती थी, नहीं भाती थी मीन्स नहीं अच्छी लगती थी. Why Manjari what? Manjari did not like Kanak. The answer is Manjari was from some other place. She did not know how to swim, how to play with the waves. But Harsh and Kanak, they were able to do. That's why Manjari was a bit jealous. Okay? Because she was not knowing how to swim. Okay? The next question is, मंजरी ने कनक को अपना खिलौना क्यों दे दिया? Why Manjari gave her toy to Kanak? You have read the story and you know that Kanak saved Manjari. Okay? मंजरी की जान, मंजरी की लाइफ किसने बचाई? कनक ने बचाई. That's why Manjari got that Kanak is the most beautiful girl because she has done the most beautiful job. Okay, she saved her life. That's why Manjari gave her toy to Kanak just to show some gratitude. Okay. Now in question number 3 what it is asked, लिखा है रिक्त स्थान भरो means fill in the blanks. How you have to make sentence phrases. For example, it is given गुड़िया जैसी सुंदर. Listen, जैसा मतलब होता like, सुंदर मतलब beautiful. Beautiful like what? Like a doll. The example is given like सुंदर, one adjective is there, and for that adjective the noun is also given. You have to make the sentence, make the phrases in the same way. How we will write? दूध जैसा. Now how we will know what to write? First see the example. गुड़िया जैसे सुंदर. गुड़िया सुंदर होती है ना? गुड़िया is beautiful. That's why it is written beautiful like doll. तो दूध कैसा होता है? दूध होता है white. तो हम लिखेंगे दूध जैसा white. White means सफेद, यानी हम लिखेंगे दूध जैसा सफेद. ठीक है ना? Now it is written हाथी जैसा. हाथी जैसा. हाथी जैसा क्या? हाथी कैसा होता है? हाथी बहुत बड़ा होता है ना? तो हम लिखेंगे हाथी जैसा बड़ा. ठीक है? Now it is written रात जैसा. रात मीन्स नाइट. नाइट कैसी होती है? काली, डार्क. तो लिखेंगे रात जैसा काला. काला मीन्स ब्लैक भी होता है ना, डार्क भी होता है. तो रात जैसा काला. अगेन इट इज रिटन रुई जैसा. रुई मीन्स व्हाट इज रुई? रुई मीन्स कॉटन. कॉटन कैसी होती है? वेरी लाइट इन वेट, वेरी लाइट. तो हम कह सकते हैं रुई जैसा लाइट मीन्स हल्का. रुई जैसा सफेद भी कह सकते हैं. समटाइम्स वी कैन से रुई जैसा सफेद भी, बिकॉज इट इज व्हाइट ऑल्सो. वी कैन से रुई जैसा सफेद या रुई जैसा हल्का. ठीक है? अगेन इट इज रिटन चीनी जैसा. चीनी मीन्स सुगर. शुगर कैसी होती है? शुगर कैसी होती है? बिटर इन टेस्ट, सॉल्टी। शुगर कैसी होती? मीठी, स्वीट। तो लिखेंगे चीनी जैसा मीठा। चीनी जैसा क्या? मीठा। ठीक है, स्वीट लाइक शुगर। ठीक है, डन। अब देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। ठीक है, कौन कैसा है पूछ रहा है, कौन कैसा? हु इज, which qualities having these persons? Two persons it is given, Kanak and Manjari, and some qualities it is written there. You have to search from the words. You just take the word and you just fill in that column. First it is written Dayalu. कौन दयालु थी, Kanak या Manjari? First you will like which character, Kanak और Manjari? You will like Kanak. ठीक है, you will like Kanak because she is caring, she is daring, she is sensible, है ना, she is hardworking. तो and the other side Manjari ईर्ष्या करती है, jealous है ना, लापरवाह है ना, केयरलेस है ना। तो now we will take the words from this. Dayalu, who is Dayalu? Kanak. You will write here, Kanak. डरपोक कौन है? मंजरी। साहसी कौन है? कनक। सुंदर कौन है? सुंदर कौन है बताओ? सबसे सुंदर वैसे तो मंजरी सुंदर है ना, तो बाद में उसकी कामों की वजह से दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन मंजरी कैसी थी? गुड़िया जैसे सुंदर थी, तो मंजरी सुंदर है। अमीर कौन है? मंजरी। गरीब कौन है? कनक। समझदार कौन है? कनक। लालची कौन है? मंजरी होगी, है ना, कनक तो है नहीं। ईर्ष्यालु कौन है? मंजरी। अच्छी कौन है? कनक। मेहनती कौन है? कनक। आलसी कौन हो सकता है? मंजरी, है ना। मूर्ख कौन हो सकता है? मंजरी, क्योंकि ये तो समझदार है कनक। लापरवाह कौन है? लापरवाह कौन है? लापरवाह हो सकती है मंजरी। मनमौजी कौन है? मनमौजी अपने मन से कोई भी काम करने वाला। वैसी कोई कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दिया नहीं है, लेकिन मनमौजी में आप मंजरी का नाम डाल सकते हैं। ठीक है, उसके मन में आ जो वो कर सकती है ना। कनक की तरह से वो, उसको किसी काम करने की चिंता तो है नहीं। ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन है देखो कि मंजरी बिल्कुल गुड़िया जैसी सुंदर थी। तुम्हें सबसे सुंदर कौन लगता है? अब बताओ। दिस क्वेश्चन, दिस आंसर could be written by yourself. You should write this question by you only. Okay, the question is Manjari was very beautiful like a doll. If you have seen somebody whom you like and why? ठीक है, तुम्हें सबसे सुंदर कौन लगता है? The most beautiful person you think is who and why you think like this. आपको लिखना है। This question you have to write. You just think and you just write in your own language. In your own language नहीं, in your own words, in Hindi language only. In your words that to whom you like the most. ठीक है, ओके। तो केवल इतना करिए, आगे भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैं आपको केवल इतना करने के लिए कह रहा हूं बिकॉज पहले आप लिखना सीख लीजिए। इसके आगे के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा समझने के और खुद से सेंटेंस बना के लिखने हैं। एंड व्हेन यू आर नॉट नोइंग टू फॉर्म अ वर्ड only, then how you will form some sentences. That's why I'm not telling you right now the other questions. Only this much from this chapter, others you just leave. Okay, if you can do, just ask me, I will tell you. But for everybody, I will not ask to write the write all the questions. Okay, first you learn how to read, how to write, how to form sentences. Okay, after that you can understand the other questions. Okay, so this much for today. आपको मैं इसकी पीडीएफ भेज रहा हूं और आप इसे अपनी कॉपी में, अपनी नोटबुक में लिखिए. अगले दिन मिलते हैं.